Hey guys, this is the second Illustrator tutorial in the beginner series, and today I'll be showing you around with the Adobe tools, how to select different tools, and a brief description of what the general aspects of each tool groupings give you. Toolbar is usually on the left hand side, and first Adobe does a kind job of organizing the tools for you. So general groupings of tools that are similar to each other are grouped together. So this section right here is for selection, here is for creating vector objects, pen tool text, erasing the things created. Here's mostly for transformations, transformation tools. And right here, this is more the advanced tools like gradient mesh tool, which is absolutely fantastic. Is with the gradient mesh tool, I'll explain more detail later on in a more specific tutorial. If done correctly, the objects you create with a gradient mesh will look like real. It'll look like you took a picture of it, and so on. Now here's the foreground and background colors. Actually, this is for stroke, this is for the foreground. Now, you might have noticed that some of these tools right here have arrow right next to it, so that means there's several more tools underneath them. And if you click, like hold and click, it opens up a different menu. So direct selection tool, group selection tool, used for different specific information. See, pen tool, different options. See a pen to add anchor point, to delete anchor points, and so on. Now, if you like using all these tools quite often and you don't want to click hold all the time, so you know what? Just hover over this area right here and pop them out, and look at that. They're right there, easy in hand. And everything you could actually use using on the quickly select tool. I actually personally haven't memorized them all, but if you hover over each tool, it gives you the shortcut T. So if I press T, it pops up. So you have the text, so on. And it was creating a text. There you go. Anyway, so it's easy. It will save you some time. You don't have to go over there. It's quite handy. And like with the Adobe panels, you could minimize, show, hide, and everything to show is that on the top right here is more of the tools. Sometimes the options right here, creating, gives you some more options. We click there. As you see, it gives you more options for the tool that you're using. You can convert the selected points to corners, adjust them, and so on. Now, another cool thing about the tools in Illustrator is that, let's see, it was star, is that you click an object, you can drag on top, create an object. This has 5 points, but you know what? What if you don't want 5 points? You want something more? You just click anywhere on the screen, and it pops up a dialog box. Radius 1 is the outer star, radius 2 is the inside, and you change how many points it has. So let's say we got 8, and it gives you 8. So cool, eh? Anyways, that's it for this tutorial. I hope you liked it, and hopefully it wasn't too boring for you. Anyways, take care.